Hello. Today I'm going to be telling you how you can record video, audio, and voice from your Oculus Quest or Oculus Quest 2 and get it to your computer, post it on YouTube, Twitch, wherever you want to post it. So, to start off, you're going to need 6 things. Very simple things. You're going to need your phone. You're going to need earbuds. Every Apple phone, pretty sure, now comes with Apple earbuds that fit with, I'm thinking iPhone 7 up. I'm not completely sure. Or, you can use any type of earpods, but I would not recommend AirPods, although you can use them. But the voice might overlap with the gameplay sound, and it won't sound that great. But you can if you want to. Then you're going to need 4 apps. You're going to need Photos, which comes on every phone ever. You're going to need voice memos or some other type of recorder. I'd recommend voice memos. It's a great app to record on. And you're going to need 2 apps that you can get for free on the App Store. I didn't mention this, but this is completely free. I actually pay about $70 just to get perks and make this easier, but for you it can be completely free. So the 2 apps you're going to need is Simple Transfer right here and Track Studio. I can show you on the App Store. This is what it looks like. This is what Simple Transfer looks like. And Track Studio. I cannot spell. Track Studio looks just like that. So once you've gotten both these apps, you're going to want to... Well, let me take a step back. So when you're recording on your Quest or Quest 2, you're going to have... I'd recommend at least to have headphones, over-ear headphones, on with the Quest 1 or Quest 2. That's my recommendation, because again, if you don't, the game audio will overlap with your audio, which won't sound as good, but it's not the end of the world. It's not crazy. But I'd recommend the headphones. So you get over-ear headphones with your Quest or Quest 2, and you have your earpods connected to your phone. I put my phone, turn on voice memos, and put it in my pocket. And I have my right earphone in my ear under my right headphone, because my right earphone has the mic on it, and that's what I talk through. And then I use because it's uncomfortable to have it under your headphones, so I don't like my left and my right, so I just tuck the left one into my shirt. And I put the right, like I said, under the headphones. Once you've done that, you want to go into Oculus, right? Go to the game you want to play, or whatever you want to record. And you want to press the record button on Oculus at the exact same time, or the closest you can, as you press the record button on whatever voice recorder you're using. Again, I'd recommend voice memos, but I don't know if that's on Android. So if you do have an Android, you can pretty much use anything. So you want to start at the same time. I'll tell you the reason for that later, but for now, just start at the same time. Record the video you'd like. So first, we're going to start with the audio, and then we'll go to video. And the game audio and video are connected, right? The only problem is Oculus doesn't record your audio for some reason. I hope they fix that sometime, but this is the fix to it, before they do it. So in voice memos, you record your video, right? Right now, I'm recording this video on my phone, because that's what I use to record audio, because my mic on my computer is horrible. I use headphones and stuff, but it's still ridiculous. If you guys watch my top 5 multiplayer video, I used my my computer and headphones, and it sounded like a dying dog the entire time. It was horrible. So I now just record on my phone, and send it to my computer. And I'll tell you how to do that right now. That's the same way you send your Oculus audio to your computer. So from here, as you can see, I tapped on this how-to, which I'm recording right now. And on the left side, you see those 3 blue dots right there, in the middle of the screen. And so right now I'm recording, so I can't actually go to the screen. But when you turn on voice memos and you finish recording, you'll see those 3 dots when you tap on which one you want to send. So you tap on you tap on the 3 dots, and then you'll see a button that says share. You want to press that, scroll all the way. At least for me, I had to scroll all the way. It depends how many apps you have. And you want to find Track Studio, which you should have installed already, or you're installing now. And you want to share it to Track Studio. Then a little thing will pop up on your screen saying what do you want to name it. I recommend naming it the same thing here, so I name it how to. Just to keep everything organized. Then you want to head over to Track Studio. I can't do that right now because it uses your audio, and it will stop this recording, so I can't do that. But when you head over to Track Studio, if you've signed up and everything, then it should bring you right to the recording you just shared. If not, then on the bottom you can go to Songs and pick the one, but it should bring you right to it. After it does, on the right lower side, on the lower right-hand side, there's going to be like a little share button. You want to press that and then see where it says Make Video. By the way, in this, on the bottom, the little thing in the middle that says Studio should be highlighted. You should be in the studio. So if you're not in the studio, go to Songs, press on the song you want, and make sure you're in the studio when this is happening. So again, on the lower right-hand side, the share button, you want to press Make Video. Then there's going to be like a green bar on top, which is loading. That takes a long time. Alright, it takes about a minute to load every minute of audio. It takes very long. Obviously, if you have a better phone than me, I'm using the iPhone 8, and I don't have the best Wi-Fi, so it'll probably load faster for you guys, but just know for me, a half-hour video took about 35 minutes to load, so it's not quick, so don't think it's not working if it takes a long time. It's just slow. So once you've done that and you made it a video, you can head over to your photos, and in your camera roll, there should be a video which is like a little disc spinning, and then on top left, it says the name that you named it, and it has the audio. So you just made your audio a video, basically. So from there, you want to head over to Simple Transfer. And in Simple Transfer, sorry about that. Okay, so in Simple Transfer, let me just check if this is still recording. Alright, good. Sorry about that. So, in Simple Transfer, it should look like this. Then you want to go into your computer and type that thing in right there, where it says Simple Transfer App /desktop. You can just type in Simple Transfer and you'll find the link on Google, right? So once you're on your computer, you have to go to Google, go to Simple Transfer, download that. And then also that also takes a decent amount of time to download. This all takes a very long time. So once you've downloaded Simple Transfer on your computer, which is just like a file, then you want to open this app. You have to keep this app open while you're doing this, otherwise it'll restart it. And you'll press Find Devices. Then the name of your device should pop up. So for example, Volt's iPhone, right? So you press on that, and then this little thing on your phone should pop up, a 4-digit code, and you've got to type that into your computer. That's just like, making sure it's actually you. And once you're there, you should have access to all your photos on your phone from your computer. And you can download them on your computer using the software. There's one catch to it, though. You can only download your top 50 videos or photos in your camera roll unless you buy premium, which is about $30 for a lifetime. So I think that's a pretty good deal, and that's what I bought. But if you don't want to do that, then you just got to erase some videos. You could also use something like Dropbox, but that also costs money. Or if it's a video that's less than, I would say about 5-10 minutes max, you can just email it to yourself. But emailing a video, it has to be under a certain, it can't be too big of a file. And this can be unlimited. So I would, again, recommend using Simple Transfer. So once you're here, and you've got downloaded and set up, if you bought premium, you can download any video or photo. Otherwise, only the top 50, the first 50 in your camera roll. So you do that, you download it. So you press on whatever you want to download. You press download on the top right. Then I'd recommend downloading this as an MP4. You do not want to do it as what it originally says. I'd recommend the MP4. And then you press download. And you should also make your own file. Mine is just called the YouTube. That way you can keep everything organized, but that's just a suggestion. You don't have to do that. So once you've done that and you press download, this will also take a long time to download. Sorry about all this downloading and uploading and everything, but this, for half-hour video, this could take like 45 minutes. This really takes the longest out of all of them. So once you've done that, but again, I'm on a laptop. I don't have the best Wi-Fi. It'll probably be much faster for anybody with a PC or good Wi-Fi, or both. That would be much faster. Once you've done that, you have the audio. It's as a video, right? The audio became a video, but you have the audio. And you have it on your computer in your files. And you can go ahead and put that in whatever editing software you use. I personally use VideoPad Editor, but that one you only get 3 exports. If you don't know what that is, free. 3 exports free. Then you can do $40. You pay $40 and you get, you unlock everything free for life. Not free, sorry. $40, but for life. If you don't know what exporting is, I'll tell you right now. I don't know what the fuck that is. And I'm sorry, I just ear raped you. Anyways, so any video that you put in your editing software, you cannot upload that to YouTube, okay? You need to export it because it's not the right kind of file to upload to YouTube. In VideoPad Editor, you can export it to a lot of different kinds of files. I want to make this part very clear. One says YouTube video file. Do not do that. I know that sounds right if you're trying to post on YouTube. It is not. Trust me. You want to upload as just a normal video file. That's what you want to export it to. I did say that the other one took the longest. I was wrong. The exporting for a 45-minute video, it could take up to 3 hours. Exporting takes a hell of a long time because it needs to go through every nick and cranny of that video and audio and, turn it into something else. So I understand why that takes a while. But again, the better computer you have, the faster this will take. This is only my experience. I don't have the best setup. Okay. So, VideoPad Editor, you only get 3 free, and then you have to pay for it. There are plenty and plenty of free editing softwares. I think DaVinci Resolve is free. I'm pretty sure it's free. I could be wrong, though. Don't take my word for it. But I think I've used that one, and it is pretty good. But you can just... there's plenty of YouTube videos on this. You can just go search one up. After you've done that, after you get your audio, now let's focus on video. So there are 3 ways that I found you can take your video from your Quest or Oculus Quest 2 and put it on your computer. One, and probably the most simple way, which I use, is you just plug your headset in, turn your headset on, then things should pop up in your headset. So you have to put your headset on saying, do you want to allow your computer to access your files? You press allow, files pops up in your computer, and from there, you press Quest 2 in your files. Then you just double tap on a thing that should pop up, the first file, which should be like a storage thing. Then there'll be a lot of files. You want to tap on the one that says Oculus. Double tap. Then from there will be snapshots and video shots. Snapshots are screenshots, and video shots are the videos that you recorded. So if you're trying to upload a video, you tap on video shots, you find the one you want. I think you can download it from there, but what I do, since I use VideoPad Editor, if I just right click on whichever video I want to download, it'll just say add to VideoPad project. I press that, it brings me right to VideoPad Editor, and it puts that video in. So that's what I do. I don't know if that works for other editing softwares. I've never really used one to upload a video. So that's the first way you can do it. The second way, and also if the little notification doesn't pop up, you can just unplug it and put it back in, or press the power button on your headset and press it again. That happens to me sometimes. I'm not sure why. The second way is to use SideQuest. I don't use that, so I'm not going to get into detail. I don't know a lot about that, but I'm sure there's other YouTube videos about that. Third way is just to upload it to Facebook. You have to plug your headset in, turn it on, go to the video, press share, press Facebook, and then if you just want to upload it to YouTube and you don't want anyone to see it on Facebook, you can just press upload privately, and then only you can see it. And that also takes a while to load, so that is not the most convenient way to upload things. After you've got the video uploaded onto your computer, you can download it and put it into your editing software. That's why I said you should start the video and audio at the same time and end it at the same time. I said that because it just makes it easier in the editing software to stitch it together so that it can sound like a normal video. Once you've done that, you export it. You go to YouTube, you can upload it, change whatever you want. If you're not sure about the whole YouTube part of it, and how to upload videos and what to do with the videos, I'm not going to explain that in this video, but there are, again, plenty and plenty of other YouTube videos about that. Anyways, I hope this helped you, and peace. Sorry that last part was cringy. And please subscribe. Like my videos if you like my videos.
See you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh.
Yeah.
I never seen